Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can use Rakuten points on Japanese convenience store. So first thing that you should know is that not all convenience store accept Rakuten points. If you go to this website called pointcard.rakuten.co.jp, you can see this is the list of convenience store that accept Rakuten points. You might recognize some of these like KFC and Family Mart. Now, these aren't the convenience store that accept Rakuten points, right? And the way you can use Rakuten points on convenience store like this is two ways. You can download the Rakuten Pay app. So it's the Rakuten Pay app. You can download it from the App Store and Google Play here by clicking on this link on this website. The other method as well is by using a Rakuten point card. It's kind of like a credit card, but it's specifically for Rakuten points. If you want to register for a Rakuten point card, you'll have to click on this button down here. Now, all info about Rakuten and how you can use it is available on this website here. But you can see right now it's in Japanese. If you have trouble reading it and you're on Chrome, there is a method that you can use for it to automatically translate this website. You can click on this upper button up here to translate it, all of it to English. And you can see right now it's much easier to read, although all of the images won't be translated, but just the elements that have text on it will be automatically translated. Again, if you want to use a Rakuten point on the convenience store, you can do it with the Rakuten app here, or you can register for a Rakuten point card, again, by clicking on this button down here. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.